This is 40. It's my 40th birthday today. I've been on the earth 40 years. Mad. Daddy, you're flipping amazing and I love you. Ah. Good morning, it is, what is it? I should know. Wednesday the 11th. And we're back in the salon today. Still got a full on day doing extra hours because it's Christmas, trying to get everybody in. Looking forward to seeing the team again because I've been off since Friday. I had that weekend away. So yeah, we're looking forward to getting back in the salon, and we've actually got, Stacey told me last night, we've got some presents from Joico, me and Stacey, so we'll do a little unboxing as well. So I just walked in the salon. Stacey she didn't think I'd be here this early. And she's going to capture it on camera, so I'll capture it on camera for her. But she set up this happy birthday for my 40th.
And then, you know, I guess help clear up, help clear up the kitchen. So there was all
and then the 40 balloons.
Yeah, it seems like yeah. That's the exciting bit though, isn't it?
And then for everyone's birthday, I normally do a buffet. And Stacey's put on a buffet for me as well. And the team. I take it the team will do as well. Stacey started earlier than anybody today. I just did a hand gesture and they stopped recording. And then I'm in. And then we've got Kezia in. We've got Matilda in. We've got Corey in. Who else? Oh, Sophie and Amy are back in tomorrow. So, full on Christmas time. Loving it. Just got a little bit of a cold. Bit of a like raw throat. But I don't care. Let's get going. From Stella. You know Stella Represents? Who like I work with for content.
Yeah. What are they?
Don't know. I think it's a Christmas decoration.
Oh, another one. You're gonna have a whole Christmas tree of decorations. Oh, it is. That's one of those like papers. Yeah.
Oh, is this?
Round. It's like a snowflake. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All the
Snowflake.
way out.
I was going to say, is this their logo? I can't remember what their logo is.
Those are paper decorations quite popular. You know the ones from the 80s, 90s? Yeah. The dangly ones? They're kind of like, I have been to 2 friends' houses and they've got them up. I went, what is he doing? What is happening?
I'm
They're
struggling
like,
so much.
well, people are talking about doing Tacky Christmas, so I raided my mum and dad's loft and found them, and I thought, sod it, I'm going to do it again. So I reckon next year, I think they're going to be back again, you know. I really do.
Look at that.
Oh, that's quite cute.
Isn't it? So this is from Stella. May your Christmas sparkle with joy and your new year shine with success. There's no time like holidays for wishing for every happiness. We're so grateful for your incredible talent and dedication. Love the Stella Represents ladies. Thank you so much.
Yeah, one corner to the other. Yeah.
I'm just going to check what your logo is because...
Yeah, like the
Is it a
star
star?
ones.
Similar. There's the logo. And then there's the decoration. I love it. Thank you.
Hazavi. Oh, okay.
Oh, there we go. And I was going to say to you the other day, you need
Mine's-
to clean your lens.
I know.
Everything, all the lights are like.
I know.
What's that thing I've got in my right eye? Astigmatism. That's like your camera. Right. What do you think's in here?
No, there's not air in there.
No?
There's definitely more than air. Promise.
Did it say, like, did they send you a message or anything saying they're going to give you this?
No,
No.
Stacey sent me a message and said
We've got 2 parcels.
general goods.
Oh, do you know what? That looks so much better.
Clean.
Yeah. So clean. There we go.
Oh look, they stuck the label over it and they've written something. Oh, Paul, happy birthday.
Oh, they wrote happy birthday to you. That's cute. Right.
Do you know what your video title should be?
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, what's yours?
Oh, mine's got my name on it.
Stacey.
With a smiley face.
Smiley face.
Lovely.
Right.
Okay.
We were sent these by Wendy van der Helm from Joyco.
Thanks.
Thank you so much, yeah. I was going to suck straight in, but
I mean, yeah, we don't know what it is.
we don't know what it is.
So it's kind of, we need scissors.
So yours has got a different tape to mine.
Are we really inspecting them like that?
No, we're going to go straight in. We don't know what it is. And I don't know. Sticker case.
I'm guessing it's a case. It's a really long case.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
No, see you Friday, Saturday, Friday.
See you, honey. Take care. I think. Yeah.
What's a suitcase?
It is a suitcase. Although we're really getting into it. I feel like this is like, you know when 2 dogs get a new toy and
Yeah.
they just rip it to shreds? Like that.
Here we go, we're in. Please remove protection foil before use.
That was a lot.
Oh! Proud to be a Joyco artist.
No way! That's so cool!
That's pretty cool.
Oh, and it's got 4 wheels. I know that sounds really odd, but the
No.
4 wheels is like,
Let's see how good they are.
it is. Oh my god, very stable.
Yeah, very stable.
That's pretty snazzy. I'm impressed.
I know. How good are we going to look through go for the airport?
like nerds.
I know.
Oh, where did they
Proud
work?
to be a
It's
Joyco
looking good.
artist.
That's cool.
I know. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Going on the train today, aren't you? Orderly end to meet Santa and the Santa Express train. Aren't you? Looking forward to it. I'm off to work. What a miserable day. For anybody that's into football that was, if you heard me, because the window wipers. Man City have won 1 game in 10. Crazy. I mean, Tottenham aren't doing any better, but it's Man City, mate. Right, I got a bit of a cold today. I've had it coming. I always used to get ill around my birthday because I was so excited. But I think it's down to me having those few days rest, and my body just thought, he's off. He's gonna chill. No, we're in the thick of it now. Last night didn't get in till like, what, 10 o'clock? 10 o'clock I think. And then tonight won't be 10 o'clock, it'll probably be about 9, maybe. But yeah, it's full on. But I love it, absolutely love it. People keep saying, oh God, I bet it's busy for you. It's like, yeah, if it wasn't busy, we wouldn't be open. It's what we need to be busy. Oh, you can hear it in my throat, can't you? Right, Thursday, the 12th of December. Let's go. I told Wendy last night about our vlogs.
Yeah.
She was like, I didn't know this. Like, yeah. So she was watching.
Oh, cool. We've got those. Oh, no, Jack coming in later. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
The money bags.
Yeah. So I put them underneath the tent thing because they were popping out, and I didn't want the to open.
I meant to take them last night. There we go. Birthday girl. Hello.
That's really weird.
Sorted.
Oh, this is going to be such a lame day. This is us just on our way. This is Sunday, and we are heading out to Leicester for the team Christmas party. We'll be doing a bottomless brunch at somewhere. Turtle Bay. That's it. Turtle Bay. 2 hours of cocktails and food, and then we're going to go and explore Leicester bars and pubs and other stuff. So yeah, looking forward to it. It's 20 to 10, so the train will be there for just gone 10, and our train from Kettering to Leicester is at 10:30. Looking forward to seeing all the team. Have a little drink as well. It's been a really busy Christmas so far, and we're in our final week next week to the big day. So yeah, nice time to celebrate. We're closed tomorrow, so everyone can be hangover free for when we start back. And yeah, going to add this to the vlog. So yeah, Sunday the 15th of December, staff Christmas party.
Yeah, it is.
Can you see?
It looks like he's showing you me. Look.
It's me. It's my.
Sorry, Steve.
No, it's mine, hun. Don't worry, just look.
Sky is quite nice
To
behind
be
it.
fair, no, it does look quite nice.
It's quite nice, isn't it?
No.
Disappeared.
No, good. You're not allowed to see. Not allowed to see.
I'm going to spray. My score. Do you think my
So that's the end of this week's vlog. We had a great time for our Christmas party. All the team loved it. I loved it. I love spending time with them in work, out of work. So yeah, really looking forward to the next one. Here is my train home. So I'll see you on next week's vlog. Let me know in the comments down below if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you later.